Hey, what's up semuanya? It's Poptil. Kali ini kita akan bermain game yang bernama Let Me In. Yang dimana game ini adalah sebuah horror game yang bercerita tentang apakah kita sebagai pemain sungguh harus membiarkan orang tersebut masuk ke dalam rumah kita. Langsung saja. I miss you. If I could stay at home that night. Jika saja aku bisa tinggal di rumah pada malam itu. I don't know where you are, but I believe you are alive. Tapi aku percaya kamu hidup somewhere, dimanapun. I don't know how much time passed since your disappearance. Aku nggak tahu telah berapa lama waktu telah berlalu sejak kamu menghilang tampaknya. I lost the feeling of time. Aku telah kehilangan perasaan akan waktu. I don't know what happened to you. Aku nggak tahu apa yang terjadi kepadamu. The only thing which helps me to live day by day, memories. Sesuatu yang membiarkanku tetap hidup setiap hari adalah kenangan. Well, kita lihat apa yang bakal terjadi dengan kita. Memories about you. So, tampaknya ini adalah video game yang biasa. Oh, look at this. My favorite TV show. Bright lights and blinking screen makes me calm. Lampu yang terang dan berkedip membuatku tenang. Tampaknya ini adalah rumah kita di sini, which is ini rumahnya cukup menyeramkan dan lihat di sini ada TV yang berkedip-kedip dan juga ada kursi, buku dan juga ya bisa dilihat ada sofa. Namun pencahayaannya bisa dilihat ini rumah sangat gelap sekali. I feel safe here. Aku merasa nyaman di sini. Aku merasa aman di sini. My house is my castle, isn't it? Rumahku adalah kastilku, bukan? Close your eyes. What can you hear around? I can hear my favorite TV show. I can hear a clock on my wall. Do you know where you are when you close your eyes? I remember how my room looks. Actually, many rooms look like this, but I feel safe in mine. Are you alone? Jadi kita tuh mendapati diri kita itu seperti bertanya-tanya atau ada pikiran yang mencoba berusaha untuk berbicara dengan diri kita ini. Apakah kamu sendirian? Yes. Yes, I'm alone. Ya, aku sendiri. Oh shit. Damn, what was that about? It was 2:10 o'clock in the morning when somebody knocked my door. Ketika seseorang mengetuk pintuku. Jadi tadi tuh ada orang yang ngetuk ke pintu kita ya. Who can it possibly be? Siapa? I need to check it out for sure. Kalau ada yang ngetok pintu di jam 2 pagi, lihat dengan TV begini. Who? Siapa yang ngetok pintu? Tetangga? It smells like something is rotting outside. I can't hear anything, but I feel someone is standing behind the door. Jadi kita merasa kalau ada seseorang di balik pintu ini. Probably I should go and open the door. Mungkin aku harus pergi dan membukakan pintunya. Jadi ya sepertinya ada orang yang mengetuk pintu dan apa yang harus kita lakukan? Open the door, check the peephole. Open the door or check the peephole, guys. No, no. Kalau kita langsung open the door, ini pasti, oh, kita nggak tahu siapa orang yang ada di balik pintu ini. So check the peephole. No one's there. There was nobody behind the door. However, I felt like the smell of rotting gradually increased and moved behind my back. I can slightly hear the sound from the vents in my kitchen. Or maybe it's just me. Rats? Probably. Or maybe somebody or something is trying to get into my house. It will get into my house and hide somewhere until I get to sleep, and it will eat my inside silently, like rats eat the food in the kitchen at night. I should not be so panicked. I am still in my house. Nothing can touch me while I'm here. Oh, ada suara gerusak-gerusuk di luar sepertinya. My house is my castle. I feel safe here. Get back, open the door. No, because ketika saat tadi kita baru aja ngeliat peephole-nya itu di pintu, gak ada siapa-siapa. Jadi kemungkinan kita bakal balik. People think that bad things hide in the dark. I don't think so. I feel safe in the dark. No way. Lampunya dimatiin. Now I can go back and watch my favorite TV show. Damn, look. Ini tuh gelap banget dan gue nggak ngerti kenapa dia bener-bener matiin lampu dan cuma ada TV di sini yang bersinar terang. Barusan aja ada orang yang gedok-gedok pintu dan ketika kita ngeliat peephole-nya itu gak ada orang di sana. My favorite TV show. Bright lights and blinking screens makes me calm. I feel safe here, even in the dark. Close your eyes. What can you hear? I can hear my favorite TV show. I can hear a clock on my wall. I can hear footsteps slowly coming from the kitchen. Who's there? Siapa di sana? I can feel the smell of rotten. Tadi kita baru aja ngedengar suara orang berjalan di dapur kita. It was 2:30 a.m. when the guest came. Oh, oke, ada orang tampaknya berdiri di depan kita, menutupi televisi kita. Bad ending. Let me in. Oh, jadi sepertinya kita itu harus membiarkan orang tersebut masuk ke dalam rumah kita. Jadi oke, kita langsung aja mulai lagi dari awal. Oke, kali ini kita open the door. There was still nobody behind the door. Oh, di sana tetap nggak ada siapa-siapa, guys. I could still feel the smell of rotten. Perhaps somebody who was standing behind the door found another way to enter my house. Oh, damn. People think that bad things hide in the dark. I don't think so. I feel safe in the dark. Oke, kita balik lagi ke sini. Dan ya, sepertinya kita tetap harus membiarkan orang itu langsung masuk ya ketika dia. Dan ya, ketika dia masuk, ketika dia ngetok pintu itu seharusnya udah kita bukain pintunya dan kita dapat bad ending di sini. Oke, di sini kita langsung aja open the door. The smell of rotting become even stronger. What hides in the dark? Who decided to visit me? Siapa yang memutuskan untuk mengunjungiku? Oh, look at this. Look at him, bro. Look. The eyes so tuh sangat matanya itu lebar banget. I apologize for disturbing you. Aku minta maaf untuk mengganggumu karena telah mengganggumu. This night seems to be very calm. Malam ini tampak sangat tenang. Who are you? Siapa kamu? Why did you come to my house? I apologize. Aku minta maaf. I usually walk here and there at night. Aku biasanya jalan di sini dan di sana pada saat malam hari. Looking for somebody to visit. Mencari seseorang untuk dikunjungi. Some people close the door in front of me. Beberapa orang menutup pintunya di depanku. Oke, gimana kalau kita di sini ya coba aja berlagak menjadi seorang yang baik. Kemungkinan dia memerlukan bantuan. Jadi kita ya, that's so sad. Itu sangat menyedihkan. I prefer I prefer I prefer to knock before I enter normally. Aku memilih untuk mengetok pintu sebelum aku memasuki biasanya. Normalnya. There are so many doors. Di sana banyak pintu. And so many people. Dan begitu banyak orang. So many lost souls. Begitu banyak jiwa yang hilang. Some doors are easier to enter. Beberapa pintu gampang untuk dimasuki. Some souls do not care. Beberapa jiwa tidak peduli. Some people are kind enough to let me in. Beberapa orang sangat peduli bahkan untuk membiarkanku masuk. Such people usually are friendly too. Guests, I like to visit people at their houses when they are alone, ketika mereka sendirian. But when the night ends, ketika malam telah berakhir, aku memilih untuk bersembunyi di kegelapan, where nobody can find me, di mana tidak siapapun bisa menemukanku. Until the next calm night, when I can visit more people who are kind to guests. So, jadi di sini ada 3 pilihan di mana kita akan allow to enter atau membiarkannya masuk, atau please go away, tolong pergi. My wife was kind to guests. Kayaknya pilihan ketiga opsi paling oke. Yes. I had to know your wife. She was a pretty kind person. You were lucky with your wife. Kamu beruntung dengan istrimu. She was so kind to let me in. Oh, dia baik untuk membiarkannya masuk. Jadi tuh kemungkinan istrinya itu mengalami hal yang sama dengannya, apa yang kita alami sekarang ketika orang ini datang ke rumah kita gitu. Jadi kemungkinan istri kita itu membiarkan sosok ini tuh masuk ke dalam rumah kita. When I knocked her door, that door was one of the doors which easy to enter. What did you do to my wife? Oke, kita coba tanya dia. Kemungkinan dia ini sosok yang membuat istri kita itu hilang, disappear. I need to be honest with you. Aku perlu jujur denganmu. You know what? Exactly, I'm not a good person. Tepatnya aku bukan orang yang baik. Aku suka malam yang tenang. Seperti saat ini. I usually take kind of gift, hadiah, when I leave. It seems very kind to give gift to your guests. Ini tampak sangat baik untuk memberikan hadiah kepada tamu-tamu. Mereka selalu berbeda. The gift, hadiahnya. Sometimes people who I visit don't. Kadang-kadang orang-orang yang aku kunjungi tidak tidak mau memberikan hadiah. But it looks unkindly. Tapi ini tampak tidak baik. So I take the gift myself. So I take the gift myself. Coba kita allow to enter. I'm glad that you are kind to guest. Perhaps I can enter normally now. Oke, apa yang bakal terjadi dengan kita? What happened to us right now? It was 2:30 a.m. when the guest entered my house. So ini orangnya ya. Ini sosoknya nih. Can I take a seat? Sure, bro. Take a seat. Have a night fun here. Yes. I appreciate. Aku mengapresiasimu. Damn, look. Guys, sosoknya ini bener-bener gimana ya? Ini membuat gua cukup merinding. Lihat matanya itu besar banget dan dia menggunakan kemeja. You look like a very silent one. Kamu tampak sangat pendiam. You don't speak too much. Kamu tidak berbicara banyak. I prefer quiet nights. Ya, aku lebih memilih malam yang cukup tenang. Yes, I prefer such too. Aku juga. I like quiet calm nights when nothing happens. So calm. So much time for visits. I like such nights. It feels like many people like them too. Banyak orang menyukainya juga. People also like moments. A piece of time which feels important for them. As important as gifts. What could you give me as a gift? Apa yang bisa kita berikan kepadanya hadiah gitu? Probably mungkin kita bakal kasih a cup of coffee. Sebuah kopi. Oh, a gift is something important for you. Sesuatu yang berharga. I don't think this gift is important for you. Well, I will allow me to take these decisions upon myself. Oh my gosh. Damn, bro. Gua baru aja sengaja kepencet salah satu screen untuk nge-save. Sorry, this face looks, muka ini seperti familiar to me. Seperti umum atau seperti ya kita kayak pernah ngeliat muka inilah. I enjoy to visit you this night. I would like to take something to remember you. Apa yang dia doing? I will take your face. No, I will take your face. Dia baru aja mengambil muka kita, wajah. Dan dia kayak udah pergi. It was 2:45 a.m. when the guest left. If the police or neighbors could enter this house, they would find a piece of torn flesh without a face. They couldn't do it. Nobody will even care about the strange lonely man who lives alone for a long time. Nobody will find it. Nobody will come. Bad ending. Oke, jadi sosok yang tadi itu mengambil muka kita ya. Hadiah yang dimaksud oleh sosok itu ternyata adalah muka kita. Oke, kita balik lagi di option yang ini, yang dimana kita kemungkinan bakal milih I don't like guest. Aku tidak menyukai tamu. I see. Sometimes things happen, things which you don't expect. This hurts me. In some way, I feel sad when it happens. I like such nights. It feels like Many people like them too. Banyak orang menyukainya juga. People also like moments, a piece of time which feels important for them, as important as gifts. What could you give me as a gift? Coba pada option ini kita nggak coba kasih kopi, tapi kita ignore question. You are still silent. I know. Some people are not talkative. Ya, beberapa orang dia tahu kalau beberapa orang tidak suka chit chat atau cakap-cakap with guests dengan tamu. You know, last night I visited a woman with her son. That was pretty silent visit. One of the visits where they don't find it good to give gifts to their guest. So I had to take the gift myself. I remember that Swedish screams. Oh, damn. Jadi kemungkinan dia bakal ngambil hadiah, tanda kutip hadiah atau wajah kita lagi dengan paksa kayaknya. I remember that Swedish screams, but I didn't do anything bad. I just took my gift. Poor mother was thinking that I will take her son, but that will be too cruel and wrong. I prefer to think I'm a very kind person. Dia pikir dia itu orang yang cukup sangat baik gitu. So her son is still in her house. Jadi anak yang ibunya yang dia ambil paksa hadiahnya itu dari anaknya masih ada di rumah ibunya itu, rotting inside a concrete wall. Oh, in her bedroom. Very funny story, I believe. She probably still doesn't understand. Where is her son, and why? Why there are so many flies in her room? People are so different. Nih, kemungkinan bakal hal buruk terjadi lagi dengan kita ini. I believe some people think that bad things happen to them because they deserved it, or because they do something wrong. That's not correct opinion. In fact, bad things are just random events. You never know what will happen in a few minutes or few hours. When I visited an old man last month, he had a really good conversation. Oke, jadi dia mengunjungi kakek tua, pernah mengunjungi kakek tua, dan mereka itu cukup mendapatkan percakapan yang bagus. We drank some tea for sure. Kami minum teh pastinya. This man kindly gave me. Orang ini cukup memberikannya kepadaku a very pleasant gift. Hadiah yang sangat mengesankan. You know what? Even despite the fact that you are silent and you don't talk too much, I enjoy the visit. I'm glad that I can talk here. Do you like to talk? Di sini ada dua pilihan yang sulit. Jadi kemungkinan kita pilih not with strangers. That word hurts me. Actually, Oke, jadi I apologize. I'm going to leave soon. I think it will be kindly for you to give me something as a gift. I prefer to think it's kind to give the gifts to your guests. What could you give? Kita bakal ignore questions. Even though you are silent, perhaps I did some mistakes. I apologize. I should be more polite. Aku harusnya harus lebih sopan. Everyone has something important. And was there something important to you? My wife. I see. I remember her screams. Oh, jadi kemungkinan pastinya dia yang membuat istri kita itu hilang. Aku mengingat teriakannya ketika dia mengunjungi istriku gitu. Okay, you are a monster. Ah, that words hurts me. Oke, apa? Buset dah, kaget anjay. Is there words of rude person? Oke, jadi nih orang tiba-tiba ada di muka kita. Is there words of rude person? Ada, apakah di sana ada kata-kata untuk orang yang kasar atau seorang yang hanya tinggal karena kenangan yang membantumu tetap hidup hari ke hari tanpa tujuan apapun, tanpa goal, only the feel of the fault, hanya perasaan bersalah padanya setiap malam. When you try to get to sleep, ketika kamu mencoba untuk tidur, you think it's your fault? Kamu pikir itu kesalahanmu? Gifts are always something important. And I know you have something important to give. Something important. I see. That gift seems a very important thing. I appreciate. Oke, jadi kayaknya dia udah pergi. Tadi kan dia di sini ya sosoknya. I can see my room. I can see my favorite TV show. I can hear it. Was there something else? Something that I should remember? Probably no. Perhaps that was just a dream. I should go to sleep. Sometimes memories are the most important thing we have. Sometimes they help us to live. But sometimes it's better to leave everything as is. And let me in. Thanks for playing. Oke guys, sepertinya kita baru aja menyelesaikan game ini, yang dimana ya bisa dibilang ada beberapa pelajaran yang diambil dari video ini. Jadi jika sesuatu yang buruk terjadi kepada diri kita atau hal-hal yang mungkin membuat kenangan yang buruk, kita tetap harus hidup setiap harinya dan mencoba untuk menghadapinya, dan mungkin memori tersebut atau kenangan tersebut dapat kita hapuskan dan kita hidup dengan membawa kenangan tersebut dalam diri kita. Ini adalah game yang cukup menarik untuk dimainkan, dimana gue sendiri ngerasa bener-bener merinding dan juga sensasi yang didapatkan, walaupun seperti yang tadi kita mainkan itu tidak terlalu banyak animasi ataupun bagaimana pergerakan dalam game tersebut, tapi gue tetap enjoy, dan ini benar-benar membuat giving me a chill sensation. Ini benar-benar membuat gue merinding sepanjang gue mainin ini game. Dan ya, thank you for watching all until now. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Take care guys, take care.